Okay, today I'm going to replace the mirror on my truck. I've got a 2002 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, and mirrors are not supposed to bend back at that angle. Somebody in a Walmart parking lot hit the mirror and broke it, and it was a hit and run. They also did this. There's actually a break in the metal right there. This is all one metal piece, and that's good solid metal. To replace that would be about probably $2,500 to $3,000, so I'm probably not going to replace that. I'm not going to put that much money into a truck that's that old, but I'm going to replace the mirror. So the mirror is this piece, it hooks into this piece, and that black solid piece there. To replace it, you have to take this off, and there's some bolts under there you have to remove. I bought a new mirror online, and here it is right here. You see me in the mirror? Anyhow, the mirror is electric, so you have this cord you have to plug in to the wiring harness of the truck, and take these off and put the mirror on right here, bolt it on. So let's get started on that. All right, here we go. All right, to remove the mirror, you have to remove these screws. There's 3 of them in here, and then unplug the wiring harness also. Okay, after trying about 20 sockets, we finally realized it's a 10mm socket holding these on. Before you take all your bolts out, make sure you take your wiring harness loose. Okay, before you take the last bolt loose completely, you got to support your mirror so it doesn't just fall off the truck. All right, bolts are out. There's something holding the mirror in.
Yeah, hold on.
All right, there we go. Time to put in the new mirror. So you got to put the wire through the hole, line your bolts up,
Push.
Put your mirror on good.
Push. Push harder. That way.
All right, let me show you something. When you're putting these on, here's a trick. That's a hard to get into place right there to put the bolt on that screw. So it's easy to put the bolt on here, but the problem is you don't want to drop the bolt down inside the door right there. So when you put this in, you have to hold it up at a little bit of an angle. So when you tighten it down though, you have to be straight, not angled. So you want to be like that when you tighten it. You just keep it up at an angle so the bolt stays in the socket while you're trying to get it put on. All right, go ahead. Just like that. And you lift your ratchet up a little bit. Make sure you're it's coming in great. Now see those white things pop in when you tighten it down. Looks good out here. You're doing good. Hook your wiring harness up. There you go, tuck your wire in.
I should probably make sure it works though.
All right.
Before we put everything in, we should probably make sure the thing works.
Let's crank the truck and check it out. All right, move the mirror. Working great. All right, turn the truck off. Why am I locked? Are you in gear?
Oh.
All right, so the last part of this is to put the foam padding in here. There's no best way to do it. You just cram it in as good as you can get it in there. Put this on. This has a tab which goes down into the bottom like that. Push that tab down in. All right, go ahead. Is the tab in there?
Yeah. Okay.
And that's it. Mirror's finished.